All right, guys, here's your update, Bitcoin update on the 8 hour. It is February 6th, Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's the update, guys. We said in the live today, we were obviously having a relief rally, right? We don't know if this is a sustained rally or not. We are above this level of diagonal resistance right here. We are sitting right on top of that now. What we said in the live today is if we get up and over that 74.4 level, that we could have a run at the bottom of this channel right here, which was this flag of this bear flag right here. These are the levels to the upside and the downside. What I will say right now is on the 8 hour, the RSI and the Stokes are looking like they want to roll over. We said this in the morning live this morning that even though the smaller time frames look like they wanted to pop up, the higher time frames were looking like they were slumping over, and that tells us usually that the move is weak. And right now they are really rolling over on the 8 hour. On the 1 hour, they are rolling over as well. I can see a little pop up on the 15-minute and on the 30. If that flips the 1 hour, then we could have a chance to actually hold this level. As soon as we drop this level again right here, guys, this is where we get into bear flag territory, right? If we drop this right here at 68, let's just say around 68,540. If we drop this decisively, this diagonal trend line right here, where this shoulder, head, and shoulder broke down from originally, if we break this trend line again to the downside, this would mean to me that we have right here a pull and a flag. And this would break us down to this point right here at 55,141. Okay, so this is your main level of support right here. It's crazily on this diagonal trend line right here that this tiny little slanted head and shoulders broke down from, right? This is what we're holding onto for dear life right now. If we break this level at around 68,670 decisively, right? Very, very good chance that we could have a ride down to this level at 55,599. Okay, that is your first level to the downside, guys. We know our other targets. They are right here. We don't have a ton of support under here, guys. This is the problem, is that if we fall through there, very, very likely we could fall quickly. Next level is down here at 52,244. And your third level is down here. That level is the level of the M pattern breakdown on the weekly. And this right here at 41,756 is the bear flag on the daily that you guys can see right here. Okay, here's the pull, here's the flag. The flag was the actual channel that we dropped out of. If we drop down those levels are definitely in play. Here's your levels to the upside. Guys, it is low liquidity now, right, for the weekend. They're going to wick us up and down. They're going to play with us. What you really need to look at are the higher time frames and the majority of the time frames and how they're moving as far as the Stokes and the RSI. So the levels of resistance to the upside are these, guys. Number 174, I would say 74.4. Right? We don't break 74.4. I think we're still bearish. Next level is right here at this channel at 77,933. Next level is here at 81,587. These are little levels, guys. And this is before we get to the big level where we start to get into resistance. The main level that we're looking for to break over here is 86,000. If we break 86,000 or 86,100, very, very likely we're going to try and run at some of these levels up here. Remember, we have this resistance right here, this resistance right here, and here, and here, and here, right? We have a lot of resistance to get up and over. Mainly what we're going to be looking at this weekend is 86K. We get over 86K, that will tell me that we've got a little bit more upside, and this is a little bit more sustainable than it is right now. Right now, I'm looking more towards the downside than the upside. That is not, I'm not fully biased, but I will say the Stokes and the RSI do want to roll us over on the higher time frames. Guys, that is your nightly Bitcoin update. Please, put a stop loss in if you're trading. Watch your trades closely. Watch the liquidation levels and what they are trying to do to liquidate people to the up and down this weekend. Have a great night, a great weekend, and I'll be back on Monday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great